Good morning, viewers. Today we would like to demonstrate how a baking industry is prepared itself during the COVID-19 workers. This is the ABCD of Food Safety Act, which has been put up outside. And here we have all the video, the pictogram of the fire safety measures, how the workers should act during the time of rules of hygiene code as per the FSSAI standards. Keep premises clean. Raw material shall be conformed to FSSAI standard. So the worker is entering to the factory. When he is entering, first job is he is coming to the station before entering the factory. He is doing that same 20 seconds of hand wash. Proper hand wash is being done. After hand washing, he is cleaning his hand with a paper towel and hand sanitizer. He is sanitizing his hand. Now his temperature is being checked and he is okay. He does not have fever. So workers oximeter is being, when the oxygen saturation is checked. Now the staff is writing his name and his phone number and is writing the temperature. And the oximeters reading also is writing. Next step is wearing his cap and he is provided with a fresh face mask. In the entering area where all the food safety posters, this is how finally this is how you can enter the classroom. And here again some informative posters are put regarding hand hygiene and wash your hands, eating not allowed, how to wear a mask and things like that. Now the baker is wearing the face shield. Master baker is preparing a cashew sugar cookies. Actually it is a herbal cookies what we are developing for the customers. So master is preparing herbal cashew cookies. He's putting the cashew nuts. So this is going to be the new normal for bakers, and also students will find it as a little new and cumbersome, but later on I am sure they will get used to this kind of a production method. In order to maintain social distancing, we have divided the classroom into 4 tables. So 4 students can work comfortably in their designated area with a 2-meter separation. This is the classroom where we have kept all the raw materials have been kept here, and all the molds are kept here. Some decorative cakes made by students, and that's the wash area. And here again we have some mixers and molds are here. And again I come to the table where master is making some cookies, herbal cookies, herbal cashew cookies he is preparing. So the herbal cookies are ready. Master Baker Joshua is taking the cookies after 20 minutes of time. So viewers, finally the herbal biscuits are ready.